The interaction between oxen and the birds that tend to them is an intriguing example of nature's symbiosis. These small birds will perch upon oxen and groom them in search of parasites. This allows oxen to get relief from parasites, while the birds enjoy a delicious meal. However, this relationship comes with unforeseen consequences. In their search for parasites, these birds can cause more harm than good. The birds don't discriminate between what is helpful and what is harmful for them to pick at, often mistaking open wounds on the oxen for bugs, picking at them and making them far, far worse. The birds, with their sharp beaks, will even open new wounds on the oxen's skin as they pick bugs off. The birds' concern is with the bugs, not the well-being of their mammal hosts. Despite the ox's substantial size, it is easily rendered powerless by the small but determined bird that clings to it. The ox silently endures the wounds left behind, longing for a reprieve from this symbiosis. But even the ever-patient ox cannot be expected to tolerate this situation forever.
I'm done.
What?
I'm not your friend anymore. You just use me so you can feel smarter, and I'm sick of it.
Oh yeah? Who else is gonna want to be friends with you?
Having no friends would be better than being friends with you.